Chapter 3. Employment and Labor Law. Employment and labor law is a branch of law that regulates the relationship between employers and employees. Its primary objective is to create a balance between business interests and the protection of workers' rights. This area of law governs the entire employment cycle, starting from recruitment or hiring, protection against discrimination, regulation of wages and working conditions, to procedures for termination of employment. Business law literature emphasizes that compliance with employment regulations is not merely a legal obligation. It is also an essential component of good corporate governance and effective risk management. Hiring and recruitment. During the hiring stage, employment law requires that recruitment processes be conducted fairly, transparently, and without discrimination. Employers must ensure that selection criteria are based on competence, qualifications, and job-related requirements, rather than on irrelevant personal characteristics. Most legal systems prohibit discrimination based on race, gender, religion, age, disability, nationality, other legally protected characteristics. Employers are also obligated to provide accurate and honest information regarding employment terms, job descriptions, and the rights and obligations of prospective employees before the employment contract is signed. Anti-discrimination principles. Anti-discrimination is a central pillar of modern employment law. Business law scholarship highlights that discrimination can occur not only during recruitment, but also in promotion decisions, wage determination, training opportunities, termination of employment. For this reason, many jurisdictions require companies to implement internal equal employment opportunity, or EEO policies. In addition, harassment and the creation of a hostile work environment are considered serious violations. Employers may face legal liability if they fail to prevent or address such conduct within the workplace. Wages and compensation. Regulation of wages and compensation is another crucial aspect of employment law. Most jurisdictions establish minimum wage standards, overtime pay requirements, protection against unlawful wage deductions or delayed payments. Beyond base salary, regulations may also cover allowances and benefits, Social Security contributions, annual leave and sick leave, occupational health and safety protections. The purpose of these regulations is twofold: to ensure employee welfare and to create fair competition among businesses. Working conditions. Working conditions are strictly regulated to protect employees' health and safety. Employers are required to provide a safe working environment that is free from unreasonable risks and compliant with occupational safety standards. This typically includes providing personal protective equipment, or PPE, conducting safety training, limiting maximum working hours, ensuring adequate rest periods. Violations of workplace safety standards may result in administrative, civil, or even criminal sanctions, depending on the severity of negligence and its consequences. Termination of employment. Termination of employment is often the most sensitive stage in the employment relationship and a frequent source of legal disputes. Employment law generally requires a valid reason or legitimate business grounds for termination, advance notice or payment in lieu of notice, severance pay or other statutory benefits. If termination procedures are unfair or discriminatory, the dismissal may be classified as wrongful termination. In such cases, employees may file legal claims against the employer.
Okay, see you on the top.
Yes.